Extreme Santa Ana winds are fueling wildfires in Southern California. A massive mountain fire broke out Wednesday. It's already burned more than 14,000 acres and destroyed dozens of homes. Thick smoke is filling the skies, and the blaze is being fueled by dry and windy conditions. Strong wind gusts surging up to 70 miles an hour. Now first responders are going door to door to help rescue people trapped by the flames.
This is our community, our home. All the first responders who are working here live here and are responsible for this community as well. We want to assure everyone's safety.
Firefighters have managed to partially contain the broad fire burning in Malibu. California Governor Gavin Newsom has secured federal funds to help battle the blaze.